At final sunset, you held my hand so tight, whispered softly, I'll always be by your side.